still struggling with tasks that conventional excavators can handle. Stuck in mud, unable to stay upright on steep slopes, unable to reach deep ditches. Today, we're reintroducing a true all-rounder for construction sites they all terrain walking excavator. Many people are curious about the purpose of its 4 metal legs and special tires. These 4 mechanical legs are not just for show. They can independently raise and lower, and flexibly adjust their angle, keeping the machine stable no matter how uneven the ground, greatly reducing the risk of tipping over. Equipped with special off-road tread tires, they automatically adapt their grip to different terrains, providing a stronger grip and more stable ride. Even in soft soil and gravel areas, it's designed for all-terrain operation, traversing muddy swamps, steep slopes, and rocky deserts with ease. It can handle even the most complex terrains with confidence, easily tackling conditions that conventional excavators cannot access. When working in deep trenches, it can see out down to lower its center of gravity, ensuring operational stability. Equipped with a telescopic digging arm, its digging depth is significantly increased compared to conventional excavators, easily reaching the bottom of trenches and the toe of slopes, making construction safer and more efficient. Compared to conventional excavators, it completely eliminates the embarrassment of getting stuck in muddy terrain, and its operation on steep slopes is more stable and reliable. This is the walking all-terrain excavator, a true powerhouse in extreme working conditions.